This is what my car does. It won't crank, it won't start. That's it. Can you watch it? It won't start, it won't crank. The glow lights will not show up. Rather, the alternator fan turns on. Yeah, the radiator fan turns on, but the car will not crank. No, nothing. Battery strong, everything perfect. I'll have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes before I retry it, and then it can start. See, it's not cranking. Turn it back off, okay, and then on again. You see, did you see that? Did you see the glow light? Now it's gonna start. It started. That's the problem I'm encountering now with my Mercedes C220 Cdi Sports. I've been having this problem since winter started. The car won't crank. I have to keep the key in and then turn it on for some time, like 5 to 10 minutes, as we all saw in the first video, in the initial video, before it runs for some time. The radiator fan turns on and then runs for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll turn it off, take out the key, put it back in, turn it again before it starts. I've been trying everything I can to get this sorted, but it's not working. I changed the glow plugs, I changed the starter the starter fuse, the starter relay, I changed the glow plug relay. A whole lot of things have changed. Someone even suggested that I should change my starter motor, but I don't think it's a starter motor. So today I'm taking it to the mechanic, to the auto garage, and I'll leave it with them overnight. Then in the morning they're going to start it and then see what it does to me. Okay, so I'll give you all an update about what happens. All right, cheers.